everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Indian Heritage Art Series, we will experience one of the most sought after folk art paintings of the Indian art and cultural context, known for their vibrant and enchanting colors and features. It's Phad painting from Rajasthan. So to see this beautiful painting and to know the stories about it, you must watch our video till the end. It's Phad painting from Rajasthan. Friends, the boundaries of Indian art, as I always believe, that is so large and rich that it takes so many days and nights if you discuss over it. Its beauty and underlying meaning fascinate people since over centuries now. And one such folk painting is Phad painting from Rajasthan. The unique aspects of Phad painting and the entire process of creating a Phad painting is steeped in rituals and traditions now. Drenched in the tradition and history, India's varied folk art forms have narrated stories for centuries through vibrant visual representation. And while each one is culturally significant, Phad painting from Rajasthan particularly stands out for its unique history, origin and efforts put into its revival. Let's begin. Here in this Phad painting, also a story is being tried to narrate. A king and his queen is going forward. A kind of, wedding procession or doli, what we say. And since it's a king, so all the servants and palanquin bearers are trying to obey their words. With the vibrant colors and flat construction of figures, the specialities of Phad painting have been tried to keep up here. The scenes in this painting depict the traditions and rites of the kings of earlier times. Like this one is of kind of a marriage ceremony. So here I just want to mention that previously also we did part 1 of Phad painting on June 9th, 2020. And I would recommend you strongly to watch that video in our channel too, and I know you will be fond of this vibrant folk art then. Phad painting, is a style of religious scroll painting and folk types practiced in Rajasthan from the state of India. The style of painting is traditionally done on a long piece of cloth or canvas known as phad. A 700-old legacy passed down over generations with a single family. Phad finds its origins in Shahpura near Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Phad is a type of scroll painting that narrates elaborate religious stories of local deities and gods. Created as traveling or mobile temples, these traditional paintings were carried by praised singers of the Rabadi tribe called Bhopas and Bhopis, who would sing and perform stories of their local deities. Dev Narayan ji, they call it a kind of reincarnation of Vishnu, and Babuji, a local hero. The Phad painting would unrolled and unfolded after sunset. The performance in front of village members would last into night. This is perhaps why the paintings are called Phad, which means fold in the local dialect. adds to the uniqueness of Phad art is that historically it was only members of the Joshi family belonging to the Chipa caste that created these paintings. The Bhopas, that means priest, would commission the Joshis to make a Phad to use in their performances. The traditional paintings used to be large, with Pabuji ki Phad or Phad painting of Pabuji being 13 arm lengths long, and those of Devnarayanji being nearly 30 feet long. Today, while the storytelling tradition of Bhopas is still alive in some villages, the significance of Phad painting has moved much beyond. With the efforts made by several members of the Joshi family, including Shri Lalji Joshi, Nand Kishore Joshi, Shanti Lal Joshi, Kalyan Joshi, Gopal Joshi, Prakash Joshi and Vijay Joshi, to increase appreciation of Phad as an art form. The colors used in Phad are painstakingly extracted from natural resources like stone, flowers and herbs. According to Pragati Agarwal, the founder of Art 3 that recently organized an exhibition of Phad painting in New Delhi, the artists have now also started using some of the chemical dyes to make their works stand out. These paintings are, very detailed. Every inch of the canvas is to be used. Since the ancient stories are depicted in the paintings, Phad have a lot of human figures in them, the size and colors of which depends upon the role and position they had. These paintings are done on cloths. The thick fine paste of wheat or rice flour prepared by boiling the mixture in water is applied on the cloth, which is then dried in the sunlight. The cloth is then rubbed with mohra, a stone device, to bring out the smoothness and shine on it. Now, this cloth is ready to be painted. Friends, the Joshi family of Bhilwara exclusively practiced Phad for centuries. Up until 50 years ago, they were authorized by the Bhopas and Gopis to make the Phads, and were very particular about not to missing out on the authenticity of the techniques of this artwork. However, witnessing the gradual fading of the art form, Sri Lal Joshi, Padma Shri recipient and one of the most renowned Phad artists, decided to lay the foundation of a school that teaches this mythical art form. Henceforth, Joshi Kalakunj got established in 1916. The school, which now has been renamed as Chitrashala, teaches the Phad without compromising on the originality of the techniques of this art form. Friends, since the modern lifestyle rule the world and the need to promote rich artistic traditions from the past has grown multifold, Rajasthan art forms like Phad painting not only preserve the glory of Indian culture but also depict stories of the olden times. The tales traveled through centuries that depict India at its richest can only sustain through traditional arts like Phad. And as an Indian, where in the streets, in all corners, in all cultures, in everywhere, the heritage is adorned, we are there. Imagination Gallery will always try to adorn our Indian heritage and will paint that too. Let this be one family. Let's color and paint the life with Imagination Gallery. liked and enjoyed today's experience of Fard painting from Rajasthani folk art. Convey your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session and do not hesitate to write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and the stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here is wishing you an amazing day. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye for now.